Now come to the next. When the capital is fixed, we will operate partner's capital account and partner's current account. Partner's capital we have discussed just now. Now see the partner's current account. In partner's current account, we will transfer interest on capital, interest on drawing, partner's salary, partner's commission, PL appropriation account, and if there is a loss, profit and loss account. So how to operate partner's current account? So see the ledger of partner's current account. Heading will be partner's current account. This is the heading. Format, assuming that there are the three partners A, B and C, and financial year start from 1st April 2019 and closed on 31st March 2020. So 1920 is our financial year. So first of all, we start with the opening balance of current account. Opening balance of current account. So 2019 April 1st, we will write the opening balance by balance brought down. Partner's current account may have the debit balance or may have the credit balance. If the partners have a credit balance, suppose A and C have a credit balance, then we will write this side. And B have a debit balance, then we will write to 2019 April 1st. In the debit side, we will write in the column of B. Here I assume that A and C have a credit balance of current account. That's why I posted in the credit side by balance brought down. This is the opening balance of the current account and this balance is credit balance. And one partner B have his current account balance is debit balance. His current account balance is debit balance. That's why I've written in the debit side to balance brought down in the debit side. So B's current account have a debit balance and A and C current account have a credit balance. So partner's capital account balance may be the debit balance or may be the credit balance. If the current account have a credit balance, then we'll write in the credit side by balance brought down. And if the current account have a debit balance, then we'll write in the debit side. Next item is interest on capital. We'll transfer interest on capital of these three partners. We'll transfer the salary of these three partners. If the salary is given as per the deed, we'll see to whom we have given the salary and to whom we have not given the salary. Suppose we have given the salary to all the partners, then we'll write the salary in the column of all partners. Partners' commissions, share of profit, that is divisible profit transferred to partners capital account. This side drawings, amount of drawing, whatever the amount withdrawn by the partner for his personal use, then we will write here. Drawing is different from capital reduction. If it is a capital reduction, capital withdrawn, then that item will be shown in the capital account. If the amount is withdrawn for personal use, then it is called drawings. The drawings will be reflected in the current account debit side. Drawings. Interest on drawing. Next item, interest on drawing. Next, if there is a loss, in case of loss, then loss will be transferred to the debit side in their profit sharing ratio. What we do thereafter, we'll do the total of the credit side. Suppose total is this much, we'll write the total, the same amount we'll write over here and we'll find out the balancing figure. This is the balancing figure and this balancing figure will be brought down in the next financial year 2020 April 1st by balance brought down. This side will brought down this balance will be brought down in the credit side. So in partner's current account, the item will be opening balance of current account. This balance may be the debit, this balance may be the credit. If a credit balance, then we'll post in the credit side by balance brought down. If the balance is debit, then we'll write in the debit side. Then interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission, PL appropriation account will be in the credit side. And this amount increase the partner's share. This amount increase the partner's share in the firm. And this amount reduce the partner's share in the firm. Drawings, interest on drawing, profit and loss in case of loss, and finally balancing figure. And this balancing figure will be brought down. So current account balance may be the debit balance or may be the credit balance. Suppose here the balance of this account may be, suppose B's current account balance is, this side is more, Then we'll write the balance this side by balance carried down this side. We'll write the balance this side. And this balance will be brought down this side 2020 April 1st to balance brought down. So B's balance will be reflected this side, not this side. If the B have a debit balance, debit side exceed the credit, it's a debit balance, then this will be shown in the debit side in the next financial year, first day of the next financial year. These two partners have a credit balance, credit exceed the debit, so this two amount will transfer in the credit side in the next financial year by balance brought down. This is related to partners current account. When the capital is fixed, we operate the capital account and current account. So both the account I have discussed, capital account and current account, when the capital is of the firm is fixed. And this information will be directly given in the question that whether the capital is fixed or fluctuating. If no information has given in the question, then we'll assume that capital is fluctuating. If no information is given in the deed anywhere, whether the capital is fixed or capital is fluctuating, then we will consider it that capital is fluctuating.